Kosbe, lecturer from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayandar. Today's topic is Measurement of Electric Energy, Part 2, Learning Outcomes. In this video, you will learn about block diagram of single-phase electronic energy meter and its working, and block diagram of three-phase electronic energy meter and its working. So first, advantages of electronic energy meter. So first is cost is low, flexibility is more, the unit is properly sealed, the data of meter can be recorded and stored in computer, so data handling is convenient, the power consumption is less. So these are the advantages of electronic energy meter. This is the block diagram of electronic energy meter. In this you can see there is one CT, next voltage scaling network and current scaling network. So these are used to scale the particular value to desired value, and then their output is given to the analog multiplier, and the output of analog multiplier is VDC, that is DC voltage, which is the product of VL and IL. Next, there is a voltage controlled oscillator. So this voltage is converted into the frequency. So F is directly proportional to VLIL. Next, this value is converted into digital by analog to digital converter, that is ADC. And next, there is a display and which displayed this value. So working of this energy meter. So first is CT reduces current to reasonable value for current scaling network. Second, the voltage and current scaling networks reduce proportionally the voltage and current to values suitable for the analog multiplier. Third, analog multiplier gives a DC voltage proportional to the product of the voltage and current drawn from supply, that is the power drawn. Fourth, the voltage control oscillator gives a frequency proportional to its input, that is which is proportional to the power, that is F is proportional to VLIL. Fifth, the ADC, that is analog to digital converter, converts the square wave frequency analog output to display the energy in watt hour. Next is the smart energy meter. The smart energy meters makes use of LCD display, which is utilized to display different electrical parameters and also for communication and data transfer purpose. These meters are also known as LCD display meter. The smart energy meter can communicate with handheld instrument known as AMR, that is automatic meter reader. Thus data transfer, data storage, data analysis is possible by use of smart energy meter. The communication and data transfer between energy meter and AMR can be through RS-485 port or by means of infrared communication port. So benefits of automatic meter reader. Automatic meter reading or AMR is the technology of automatically collecting consumption of energy parameters and sent to server for comparison and data analysis purposes. The parameters which are sent to the server are active energy, voltage, current, frequency, power and power factor. The advantage of installing automatic meter reader for energy meter is to obtain the historical consumption data and utilize them to understand the high consumption area, timing and implementation of strategy to reduce the same. So basically the smart energy meters are the energy meters which having AMR, that is automatic meter reader system, which is connected to energy meter and which collects the data required, and by using this data you can understand the high consumption area and implement, and by collecting this data you can implement the strategy to reduce this high consumption. As per Smart Energy Consumer Collaborative, that is USA based non-profit organization, A smarter grid can help you in following ways. Nearly $6,000 in direct bill savings for the average household each year gives control over your power bill by making it possible to monitor and adjust your energy use through smart meters and home energy management systems that offer 24/7 rate and usage readings. So this is the example for USA. So in this USA, you can save up to $600 by utilizing this smart energy meter. Second, reduces expenses to energy producers by allowing direct communication with end user equipment to reduce consumption during these peak periods, lowering the need for costly standby power plants. Some states offer new pricing plans that make it possible for consumers to save money by controlling how much electricity they use during times of peak demand when electricity is more expensive. So you can control your power consumption by using this smart energy meter. So this is one of the company's automatic meter reading. The company name is Argus automatic meter reader, that is AMR. And this is the diagram. In this diagram you can see how this AMR collects the data, that is customer interface, admin panel, data analysis, big data. So this data is collected by this AMR, and by using this data you can implement some strategy to decrease or reduce the consumption. Argus has developed automatic meter reader for energy meters with features. So Argus is one of the company which produce this meter, smart meter. So these have the features like device works on AC supply 230 volt, supports RS485 or RS232 communication, can connect up to 32 electric meters in a network. So by this AMR you can connect up to 32 meters. GPRS or SMS based system reads from electric meters and updates to server or mobile. Battery backup during power failure. So these are the features for this automatic meter reader. Next is three-phase electronic energy meter. So this is the block diagram of three-phase electronic energy meter. In this you can see there is a signal processing unit, active reactive power measurement and energy measurement unit. There is a control processor, data processing, display, memory management and serial communication. And next is a memory, RTC, optical port, SMPS, display. There are some PTs and CTs, that is PT, CT1, CT2, CT3, CT4 and 3-phase, so RY, B and the neutral 3-phase 4Y system. So we see each part and their function. So basically construction as shown in above diagram, the 3-phase supply terminals with neutral point R, Y, B and N are connected from the supply side. CT1, CT2, CT3 are connected in R, Y, B phase respectively. They step down the current to a suitable value and give it to a signal processing unit. PT or potential divider unit is used to step down the line voltage to a suitable value and give it to a signal processing unit. So basically CT and PT are used to step down the current and voltage, and their output is given to the signal processing unit. CT4 is connected in neutral to check the balance load condition. Working, the signal processing unit computes the active reactive power and energy in kilowatt hour. The control processor does the necessary data processing work and memory management to monitor and evaluate different parameters. Real-time clock, that is RTC, is provided for synchronization of all data processing works. The display unit is interfaced with control processor. Different electric parameters can be displayed on LCD display, and SMPS is provided to give constant DC supply. The data in energy meter can be transferred to an external device like AMR through RS-232 port. So RS-232 port is added in this to connect the external device, that is AMR. So this is the working for this 3-phase electronic energy meter.